Nevada Senior Services has been a resource for local seniors for several years. This is one of their adult daycare centers here in Henderson. Now we're told some of Nevada's most vulnerable seniors will be brought in here soon for vaccinations. We first introduced you to Holly Falcone 2 weeks ago. A home caregiver to her elderly mother, she worries about the options local seniors have who are unable to attend mass vaccination sites due to transportation, trust, or medical issues.
They can't get to any facility to stand in any line, obviously, if you're bedbound, if you have heart conditions, diabetes.
Nevada Senior Services is still trying to get home food delivery providers like Meals on Wheels to bring vaccines to people's homes. When I asked its CEO if that's happened, he said,
"Not yet."
Why? He says limited funding and availability.
I think there is advocacy trying to work towards it.
But as we've now learned, Nevada Senior Services is opening their own small-scale vaccine sites in just 2 weeks.
We'll start out vaccinating 100 vulnerable seniors, people who otherwise would not have got their vaccine, and that we will get them to come to Nevada Senior Services at Washington and Jones.
He says appointments will be prioritized for the most vulnerable seniors. They will also help schedule transportation to the sites.
For instance, someone who's on Medicaid, as an example, is actually eligible for transportation, but somebody needs to help schedule it.
That's what he and his team will do. He's also in talks with Uber and Lyft, he says, about potential partnerships. Why vaccinate here? He says he recognizes that many seniors are distrusting of the mass vaccination sites.
Having an organization that they already know that's a really trusted resource is just a magic bullet.
Now, he says that he was only able to secure 100 vaccine doses for the upcoming event, which he says will likely start the first week of March. He says that once he hopes that once he can prove how successful this event is, that he'll be allowed to secure more doses for future pop-up events. Appointments will be able to be made on their website, and you can find a link to that on fox5vegas.com. Reporting live, I'm Maddie White, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.